Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. Starting with the gold, with the market open, we can see that gold is showing significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture. I will be looking at the monthly chart to see overall direction in the market. Now, this monthly candle is almost close. We can see that only 1.5 days remaining, and we see that this market is a long-term bullish market from the monthly perspective. There was an inverted head and shoulder breakout. Currently, we see that there is a long wick at the top on the monthly, and highly likely that the price might go ahead and fill that long wick at the top. If we look at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly time frame, this is the weekly perspective here. There's a long wick also on the weekly, and we have seen previous week after this huge bounce there was a drop here which was expected for this pullback. Now if we take our Fibonacci for this impulse on the weekly, we can see that the price is at exactly 50%, and then we have seen after this weekly bounce the price has dropped to the 50% Fibonacci, has gone back up and closed above 38.2% Fibonacci level. Now this week so far we have seen initial pullback to this weekly support level, and the price now currently bouncing of this level. Now if we look at the daily chart, what we can see that from the daily, the price has initially with the Asian opening there was a breakdown, has broken the daily low, and after breaking this daily low we have seen from this daily 20 EMA zone the price has got a strong rejection. Currently it's trying to fill that daily long wick at the top. Now if we look at the intraday time frame from the lower time frame perspective, there was a dodgy previous session. This dodgy in fact has also tested this liquidity zone, and if we look at also this level with this red candle which is a smart money area, after this double bottom formation we have seen a strong breakout leaving a very important liquidity zone, and from that liquidity zone we can see that gold has bounced to the upside with a strong momentum. Currently the price, what I think that slowly you can see there's a long week candle, there's a long week candle, and it's an important level of support, and every time the price is forming series of higher low with a multiple liquidity grabs signaling potential bounce on gold, and we can expect now gold to go ahead and fill that long week at the top. Now if we look at the further lower time frame from the 15-minute chart on gold, we can see that there was a bounce here and expecting gold to come down to fill that zone and then to return back to the upside to create a new higher high. Now from the 15 minutes we see there is an impulse narrow doji, and we can see the price currently moving back up to create a new higher high. This is the lower time frame support level that I will be waiting before the 4-hour candle close or after the 4-hour candle close. If we see that gold has managed to retest this support, we will be looking to go long on gold with a high probability trade setup with our members. If you enjoy this analysis, traders, make sure that you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.